Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on hiding your real name from people on Xbox Live. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking. Launch your Xbox and sign in to your account. Click the Guide button on your controller to bring up the Guide menu. Move all the way to the right until you get to the System and then click on Settings. Click Account and then Privacy and Online Safety. Here select Xbox Live Privacy. Now choose View Details and Customize. Select Profile. Now finally scroll over to Decide who can see your name. Select it and then choose Block. This will prevent everybody from seeing your real name on Xbox Live. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xbox tips and tricks.